Hey, I am back with part 4 of my September update. And as I said in my last video, my anxiety did decrease a little bit. So, hey, so far this experiment's going great. So, let's see. With my self-esteem and confidence over this last month and a half, because September and part of August. Stupid bugs. Self-esteem has been about, the lowest it's been is like a 1, highest it's been is about 7. It typically is somewhere in the middle there, typically somewhere between like 4 and 6. And confidence, lowest was a 1, highest was an 8. And so, so on average, I'd say probably 4 to 7, maybe on confidence on average. And let's compare it to from last year's generalness of it. Okay, so confidence last year was a 7, whereas my self-esteem was a 2. So I think I've definitely come a long ways for sure. Let me see how much time I have left. Okay, I have enough time to hit this part. Actually, I'm gonna hit the other parts first. So, I've decided to kind of rephrase the hypothesis. So it's not like too off, but it's still the same, but it's still like a slightly different hypothesis, because this month I had identified as non-binary, kind of in general, just non-binary, kind of kept it a little secreter, and that's about to change. So yeah, so basically the new hypothesis is if I identify as male, then anxiety will decrease and I will find my unknown anxiety as dysphoria. And another thing I feel like it would be very important for me to mention is that I forgot to mention this in like the first video, but with this, an observation that I've made is that I used to kind of have a slight bit of a phobia with other females, and that's just gone. That's just gone. Like, it's kind of weird talking to other girls, because it's like I don't really understand, but in general, it's like I'm not afraid to get close to them. I'm not afraid to have conversations with them, and, you know, have older ladies help me out. I don't, it's not scary to me, so I think that this is definitely the right direction for me, is just because it makes me basically not sexist. How about that? If only